joining us there from the Wall Street Journal in San Francisco. For more on Twitter, we bring in Amish Shah. He's a managing partner of Sierra Maya 360, early Twitter investor. Amish, you brought into Twitter's IPO. So what do you think so far? You have a nice little pop, but what about this stagnant growth for U.S. users?
Yeah, Doug just mentioned a few things that I actually disagree with. I'm actually excited about the mobile portion that Lori talked about. If you look at where Twitter's really taking 80% of the revenues and the users are coming from is mobile. If you look at just the smartphone market, there's only 1.5 billion users roughly in the world. We're going to go to 3 billion in the next 5 years. So the mobile section is what's hot about Twitter. I'm actually bullish on the stock. I kind of like where they're at. They beat all the earnings estimates, the user growth. After hours, it's trading harder. If you look at the options trades for Friday, there was a lot at 40-41, a lot of action on the option side. So I'm actually, more bullish than ever. Jack's going to be interim. Another thing that Doug mentioned was the potential CEO. And that's something I want to hit upon really quickly. I think there's two main choices. There's Adam Bain, that's more on the product revenue side. If they go with Adam Bain, I feel like they're going to focus internally and really try to grow the company to its full potential. If they go with Anthony Noto, who's more of the banking person inside Twitter, I feel like they're going to get ready for an acquisition. So I think I'm actually trying to listen in.
Sure,
to see what
that's
happens.
going to tell you about, do you, as an investor, have a preference?
I do. I actually would like to see someone internally grow the current acquisitions. They had 4 acquisitions in the last 3-4 months. One is Periscope, where if anyone's watching, you could actually look at the live broadcast of earnings on Periscope. It's a live broadcast streaming service, which I think is going to be phenomenal. It's the way the world's going. Meerkat's another player in the space that's getting a lot of buzz and a lot of noise. But Twitter right now, I think, is really going to take off with Periscope. That's number one. There's 3 other companies they bought recently. And I think the major focus as an investor, I'd like to see them keep working on the user interfaces like they have over the last few months. Continue on the growth patterns and really try to get this company to its full potential. And then I could actually see an acquisition target happening in the next 6 to 12 months, or I could see them continue on the rise.
I was going to say that's quick. We'll watch the calendar. Amish, thank you so much in the meantime for the time. Amish Shah joining us there. He is a Twitter investor. Well, in breaking news, NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell upholding the 4-game suspension of New England Patriots quarterback